Today for with me DOOGEE S100 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sound section. Here we could see media, call, ring, notification and alarm volume panels, and just to change the volumes we should slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panels with our finger. Here we got the Don't Disturb mode. We could turn it on, turn it off to allow some calls, messages, and notifications from many people, apps, or alarms. We could set the shadow to change duration for quick settings and to display options for hiding notifications. Let's go back. Here we could switch phone ringtone, default notification, and alarm sounds. In media section, we could pin media player and show media recommendations. We could also activate and turn off the vibration for calls, to turn it on, to turn it off, and to use the ons for vibration, to activate and turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds and touch vibration. And also we could get here the emergency dialing signals. We could just switch from tones to vibrations or to make them silence. And in sound attachment we could just use the hi-fi mode with a click on the switcher. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.